At MoMA Design Store, we have a wide assortment of lamps perfect for any space. In bedrooms where you may have many different lighting needs, you want a lamp with versatility. The Snowman table lamp features a sliding dimmer and the ability to switch between 5 color temperature modes, plus a candle mode. Maximize entryway lighting to keep track of your daily essentials. The Trimme table lamp includes a light source under the shade, as well as within the lamp space, enriching any environment with lots of light. In the kitchen, it's helpful to have a light source with focus. The Hey PC portable lamp is rechargeable and offers both downlight and ambient options, keeping you on task.